Hi, my name is Ibrahim Sako. Today, we'll work on how to find the best profitable niches for your affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. You will get new video every Thursday. Welcome. The 7 best niches on affiliate marketing are 1. Health and wellness, 2. Wealth, 3. Gaming, 4. Hobby, 5. Fitness, 6. Family item, 7. Technology. 1. Health and wellness niche. How to make money on this niche? You have to open your online store. Go to affiliate marketing, find a product like a book, how to quit smoking, how to lose weight, how to eat healthy. If you people buy your product, you will get your commission and they make more money in this niche. Thank you. 2. Wealth niche. In this affiliate marketing, you can promote someone product or sell someone product. For example, one is life coaching. You can sell the book about life coaching or promote something about lifestyle or trading via Forex or teach people how to start the business online. 3. Gaming niche. This is the one of the popular niche in affiliate marketing. You can promote and sell the product content. The most popular topics on gaming you can promote or sell online will be, for example, video game, online gambling platform, or promote something on gaming vlog, or sell the product on game channel. 4. Hobby topics. In this topic also you can promote or sell something about gardening products, or promote something about crafting, or something about coin collecting, or art piece creating. 5. Fitness topic. In this topic I can promote or sell the product about sport plan. It could be a book or ebook, also marathon subscription or sport equipment product, or do marketing about video. 6. Family item topics. In this topic in affiliate marketing, I can also promote or sell the product about homeware, furniture, bathroom accessories, garden gears. 7. Technology topic. How I can make money by promoting the product on this niche. First, I start by opening my online store. I promote smartphone or sell the product about smartphone, drones or computer product, also digital product to make money. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. You will get new video every Thursday. Welcome. Explainer video provided by Ibrahim Sako at Sako Infographic Studio. How to use infographic design. My name is Ibrahim Sako. Welcome.